This is the brand new 23 Toyota Sequoia. It's been a long time since we had the last Sequoia. This is a 23 and the last one was, I believe, a 08. So it's been a long time coming. The last one was V8 powered, 6-speed, normally aspirated, very old school, very traditional. This is totally opposite of that. It's got a V6, it's got a turbo, it's got a hybrid motor assist, 437 horsepower, 580 pounds-feet of torque, 10-speed automatic, and it moves pretty good. It hauls up to 9,500 pounds of towing capacity, and it gets pretty decent gas mileage. It gets mid-20s gas mileage, so can't wait to drive this thing. This is, of course, the Capstone model. It's the top of the line. It's expensive. It's roomy, it's luxurious, and yeah, so can't wait to drive this thing. So let's get on board and see what it's like. So welcome. Today we're driving the new Sequoia. It's driven the Tundra before, never Sequoia, and this is very similar. We have to figure out these buttons here. So speaking of that, let's start out with the climate control, because most new cars these days, they give you everything through the touchscreen. And in this car, what's nice is the climate control buttons, it actually has actual buttons. So you can actually adjust the fan speed, temperature, and everything without going into the menu. The buttons labels are a little bit small, so it's a little hard to see, especially at night. But once you know where they're at, it's no big deal. Overall, inside, this is of course the Capstone model. It's very luxurious. It's very nice, as you can see. It's very roomy. It just goes on and on and on. It's if you have a large family or you have a lot of stuff to haul, this is a great choice. And you got Toyota reliability with it, so can't beat that. So let's go see how the drive's like. Put it in gear and make sure there's nobody that's gonna hit us, and we're on board. So this is not a cheap vehicle, although if you want in cases like this, with vehicles like this, it's always better not to buy the top of the line model. These things tend to be very overpriced when you buy the top of the line model, because you get a lot of stuff that really you don't need. I mean, it's nice because they want you to go to the dealership and sit in it and go, oh, it's so nice, I want that 14-inch TV screen. But do you really need it? Not really. So the SR5 is probably your best bet as far as bargain goes, but regardless of which you pick, they're all solid, they all feel big. You can feel the weight when you're driving it. It feels like a big heavy vehicle, because it is. It's a 6,000 pound vehicle. But if you want to tow a big trailer 9,500 pounds worth, this is what you need, and it feels rock solid when you're driving it, so you'll appreciate it. Under the hood, of course, you have the big motor that's brand new. It is all of them get the 3.5 twin turbo V6 with a hybrid assist, 437 horsepower, 583 pound-feet of torque, all bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. It is extremely powerful. You really never want more power than this. And on top of it, you get great gas mileage. EPA rates it for 21 city, which is really good, and 24 highway. Now, of course, when you're towing, it's going to get a little less. We were doing like 13 to 15 towing the big trailer, but that's still really good considering you got 583 pound-feet of torque under your foot. So it's really nice. Now, the SR5 that we mentioned, the entry-level model, starts out at just around $61,000. The next level up is the Limited, which is about $67,000. Then going up to the Platinum, which is the mid-grade, will cost you about $73,500. The TRD Pro is the off-road special, comes with knobby tires and all kinds of stuff for going off-roads. That is a $79,000 vehicle. And finally, the Capstone is about the same, about $78,000 for the Capstone. So they can get really expensive, and you can save yourself around $18,000 if you go for the SR5, and then you can kind of get a couple of options that you like. So thanks for watching. As usual, if you liked it, please like us below and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and hope to see you next time.